And in this video I'm going to show you how to stitch this dress. First, take bodice pattern, fold it twice with the help of folding lines to create a channel to insert elastic. You can even press the foldings, then pin it on the place, stick it to the sewing machine and stitch it on the edge of the fold. Then take the elastic, insert into the channel and pin it on the place to secure the elastic and give a stitch. All elastic measurements are given in the pattern, so need not to worry. Do the same thing with the back bodice pattern, then stitch the sides and overlock it. Now take the sleeve pattern and fold it twice from the folding lines at sleeve armhole, same as we have done with the bodice pattern, to insert the elastic. Now insert the elastic, then secure with a few stitches. Now coming to the sleeve bottom edge, take a rectangle piece to create a channel to insert elastic at the bottom to get perfect sleeve look. For that, fold the piece with the 1 cm on both sides, place it on the mark and stitch it on both sides. As you can see, I have created the channel. Now insert the elastic and secure with few stitches. As you can see, I have inserted the elastic both sides of sleeve bottom and top. Now stitch the sides and overlock it. Do the same thing with other sleeve as well. Now fold the sleeve hem twice with a half centimeter and stitch it. Attach the sleeves to the bodice and overlock it. Now coming to the skirt panel, take front two pieces, attach up to the mark and stitch it. As you can see, I have overlocked the seams and pressed it. Now fold it and give a stitch along the slit. If you don't have serger, then fold it twice with a half centimeter and stitch it. Now join both front and back skirt panels at sides and take it to the sewing machine. Stitch it. Now attach the skirt to the bodice. Make sure to match both side seams. Stitch with leaving some space from the edge. Elastic width place 1/4 inch to insert the elastic. Trim the seams from the bodies. Now turn the seams on bodies, then stitch it with leaving a little gap to insert the elastic. Now insert the elastic and secure with few stitches. Now the final step is fold the hem 1/2 centimeter and stitch it. If you don't have serger, just fold it twice with the 1/2 centimeter and then stitch it. I hope you like this video and the pattern. Please give your valuable feedback. See you with the next pattern.